I feel comfortable with Vivix Solutions. My credit was a wreck when I came to them. I felt I had no way of really digging out of past credit. My plan right now is to stay. I've gotten a lot of deleted information off of my credit report. My plan as a veteran is to buy a home. The next 6 months or so, I will be rebuilding my credit by starting with a prepaid card, and then I'm plan is to get my score to go up so that through the VA I'll be able to purchase a home. I don't think this would have been possible if they had not worked as diligent as they did to delete the bad remarks I had on my on past credit on my report. So I'm very positively satisfied with their work, and I appreciate it.